Hello everyone, this is Mauro here, and today I'm gonna read this text that is prepared. It was prepared for first grade. I mean, it's a book that I used like probably 20 years ago when I was six. So, um, this text is talking about environmental contamination. I don't know how to say it anyway. So, environmental contamination. I'm not sure about the accent. So, contaminación ambiental. Hace muchísimo tiempo nació un planeta con todas las condiciones para que hubiera vida, y la hubo. Entre todos los seres vivos que fueron apareciendo, se destacó una especie que pensó e inventó, la especie humana. El hombre y la mujer supieron emplear todo lo que la naturaleza les regalaba, pero con el paso del tiempo, el aire puro que respiraban sus antepasados se fue enrareciendo. Hoy el agua y el aire están mucho más contaminados. Um, all right. So it's supposed to be understood by every A2 or probably a B1 level in Spanish. I think that it might be difficult for beginners, but it's pretty easy. I mean, some verbs that in English are used differently here. I mean, in Spanish we use them as we please. For example, the first sentence says hace muchísimo tiempo, so since a long time, nació un planeta con todas las condiciones para que hubiera vida. So, nació significa was born. So, a planet was born with all the conditions for life. I mean, para que hubiera vida. So, to make possible life. And hubiera means was or that was. So, y la hubo, and there was, okay, life entre todos los seres vivos que fueron apareciendo, between all the living beings that were appearing or showing up, se destacó una especie que pensó e inventó. It stood up and a creature or an especie, okay, una especie, a creature that thought and invented. It means that a creature that can think and also create as well. So there's the human race. So la especie humana. El hombre y la mujer supieron emplear todo lo que la naturaleza les regalaba. So men and women knew how to employ everything that nature was giving them. Pero con el paso del tiempo, by the time, el aire puro, the pure air or the fresh air that they breathe, I mean, que respiraban sus antepasados, se fue enrarecido. I'm not sure about the word for antepasados, but it's like a past generation, like like your grandfather, grandmother. I think that's the correct translation. And the last sentence: hoy el agua y el aire están mucho más contaminados. So nowadays or today, water and air are much more contaminated. Okay. And there's a slogan here that says, let's think. Cuando se descubrió el fuego, que es tan útil, también se inició la contaminación ambiental. Hoy ensucian la atmósfera los escapes de automóviles y aviones, las emanaciones de fábricas y los aerosoles. También han sido alterados los ríos y los mares. Y hay una última pregunta aquí. Here's the last question that says, should we give up to everything and live like a primitive man, or should we calculate which is the limit which is the limit to which we attack the nature, or we attack nature? So, ¿debemos renunciar a todo y vivir como el hombre primitivo, o tenemos que calcular hasta qué punto atacamos la naturaleza? So, I think it is a nice text, considering that it's for first graders. I mean, for kids. Although I think that the vocabulary is a bit complicated, but kids understand it because they watch too much TV in Spanish, so they get used to this kind of things. So I'm gonna read this one. So it says that tubes by cars and planes, and also the factories and the sprays, um, they are like contaminating too much. In the last one, también han sido alterados los ríos y los mares, so that the sea and the rivers were contaminated as well. Alterados means like modified. So guys, this is the text. I mean, I'm gonna upload it right now, and I'm gonna specify that it's for first grade. So if you don't understand everything, just comment below, and I'm gonna reply as soon as possible. You think that I need to change something in my teaching method? I mean, I'm doing this with love, because I have too many things to do already, like to be doing this, but I really want everyone who is willing to learn my language, that is Spanish. Okay, I'm here to teach you. So goodbye, guys.